Hello everyone, today I will cook spicy stir-fried honey mushrooms, so yummy. Let's get started. Ingredients: fish sauce, cooking oil, like soy sauce, shiitake sauce, fermented fish sauce, currant chili, salt, onion, mushroom broth. I put 5 currant chilies in a mortar. Followed 1 teaspoon of salt. Cut onion into small pieces. Then put in mortar. Pound until it turns into small pieces. Turn on the cooker. Add cooking oil about 4 tablespoons. Use medium-high heat, then add curry paste. Stir fry until it becomes dry and fragrant. Then add boiled honey mushrooms, about 1,000 grams. Mix them well. I add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Half tablespoon light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons fermented fish sauce. 2 tablespoons shiitake sauce. Shiitake broth, half cube. Then turn over a couple of times. Tear up some kaffir leaves and add in for aroma. Turn over a couple of times again. Turn off the cooker, ready to serve.ขอบคุณทุกท่านที่ติดตามรับชมวิดีโอของเราค่ะพบกันวิดีโอหน้านะคะ Thank you for following and watching our video. Until next time, see you.